Okay, welcome back. Now discuss another video attributes. Autoplay and mute it. So we are discussing autoplay and mute it because these two things have some restrictions. So some browsers impose some restrictions. Say most modern browsers have restrictions on autoplaying videos, especially when the video includes sounds. Browser typically block autoplay unless certain conditions are met. Say the video is muted or the user has interacted with the page. So they will not allow you direct autoplay because it has some logics. So if you reload the video, if it start making irritating sound or surprising sound, so it's not a good user experience. That's why they force you to
Is that convention is
so let's see what will happen if we don't use it. Say I am removing the autoplay. So I want to show you the autoplay and non-autoplay version.
no worries. To understand the documentation is
So right now I have no autoplay, so video is not playing, so it's not playing. I am refreshing it once again, and whenever
so
I
welcome back.
click only, then it starts to play. But if I give autoplay along with muted, then if I refresh the browser, it starts playing automatically. I did nothing. Okay, but for browser restrictions, you have to use it simultaneously or all together, because most browsers have restrictions on autoplay. Okay, now discuss about the loop. You see, here is the loop. So loops the video playback. Okay, loops the video playback. So I have no loop right now. You see no loop over here in the video source. Video source. So there is no loop over here. So what is happening? Let's see. When I reload the page, it doesn't. It starts as it has the autoplay. You see, it has the autoplay. Okay, so autoplay means it will start immediately. But thing is there,
Page
when you
overview
finish the video,
that course in the description box.
video will
You can
finish.
come and
So see the attributes or see the behavior when the video will finish. It will not start automatically. Okay, but if I use loop, when the video finish, it will start automatically. So I am showing saying once again the video will start. So if I use loop, the video will start playing because of autoplay. Once the video reaches the end, it will start from the beginning without any delay. So it will when it will come to finishing, it will start automatically to play second time, same video second time, third time, fourth time. So it will go indefinitely. This will continue indefinitely until the user pauses the video or leave the page. So it will continue how it will continue to play, how long I will be here, I will not leave the page or I will not stop the video. But right now these attributes are missing, so it will not happen. Let's see.
and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.
So video is finished and it's not starting spontaneously by its own accord. But if I use loop, let's see the difference. Loop, with the spelling, loop. No, it's not here. In the wrong place. I have placed it. Loop. Okay, now I am using loop. Let's reload the video. It will start playing automatically, but when it will go
So this so
at
you
the end line,
in the description box.
let's see the
you can
difference.
come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much. So welcome back. Now it's time to discuss about
Have you see the differences? It starts playing automatically. Again, I
the
am showing you.
intersecting routes, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much. So welcome back. Now it's
So it
time
starts
to
automatically. So the attribute is the video will start playing because of the autoplay. Okay. Once the video reaches to the end, when the video reaches to the end, okay, it will start from the beginning without any delay. This will continue indefinitely until the user pauses the video or leave the page. So if I don't pause the video or leave the page, it will continue. Okay, so this is the behavior of loop. Okay, so we have covered most of the things: source, width, height, control, autoplay, loop, muted, preload, and now one thing is lagging behind, that is play inline. Okay, place inline. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course: MERN stack, Typescript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but it will get, you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.